पार लगाया क्या 10 साल में, 9.5 साल में?
एमपी तो
एक बार भी जनता से मिले क्या प्रधानमंत्री? नहीं है इनके पास आंसर।
Who is this beleaguered MP? We are all well wishers of this MP.
Let me speak. प्लीज लेट मी स्पीक। मैं बता रहा हूं, मुझे एक मेंबर ऑफ पार्लियामेंट ने मुझे काम था, उनको कहा भाई सेंट्रल मिनिस्टर को चल के काम करा दो, तो नो ही रिफ्यूज। कहते हैं एमपी जाके डायरेक्ट केंद्र मंत्री से काम नहीं करा सकता, ऐसी डिक्टेटरशिप चल रही है। अब आप क्यों डिस्क्लोज कराना चाह रहे हो एमपी? उनको क्यों पॉलिटिकल कैरियर खराब कराना चाहते हो? आपको पता है डिक्टेटरशिप है। आज ही उस एमपी का नाम डिस्क्लोज कर दोगे तो सुबह तक तो ईडी, सीबीआई, पता नहीं कौन कौन सी एजेंसियां पहुंच जाएंगी उसके यहाँ। मेरी बात बता रहा हूं,
Congress. Don't you have any friends within the BJP?
MP was from Rajasthan.
MP was from Rajasthan, BJP MP, and he met you and disclosed this.
Yes, मेरे को जिस एमपी ने कहा he was from राजस्थान, अब उसको नाम को डिस्क्लोज मत कराओ आप, उसका पॉलिटिकल कैरियर
कैसी बेकार डिक्टेटरशिप है कि खुद के एमपीज जो हैं जाकर के अपने घर का सारा डर्टी लिनन वॉश कर रहे हैं कांग्रेस के लीडर्स के सामने, और डिक्टेटरशिप बैठ के मूंगफली खा रही है। दिस इज द वर्स्ट डिक्टेटरशिप इन द वर्ल्ड।
डिक्टेटरशिप पद्मजा जी, इससे ज्यादा डिक्टेटरशिप क्या होगी? ये अडवाणी जी का नाम नहीं ले सकते टीवी के ऊपर, इतने भयाक्रांत हैं। अडवाणी जी की तारीफ करो देखें बैठ करके, उनकी वजह से राम मंदिर बन रहा है, उनकी रथ यात्रा की वजह से आप 2 से 200 पहुंचे हो। नहीं बोल सकते ये लोग।
Okay, on a more serious note though, on a more serious note, how do you analyze JVC from all that you heard from Mr. Khadge and Mr. Gandhi today? What is going to be the theme of the Congress? Because they're saying hum tayyar hain, but what should India be prepared for from these words that we have heard?
Tayyar for what, Badbaja? In fact, I just want to add to the humor. Probably Rahul Gandhi must have had in his dreams somebody from BJP MP coming and saying that's what must have happened today early morning. Now, anyway, coming to the question which you're asking. Just because an individual has been unemployed for 9 years and 7 months, that does not mean that the entire country is going through unemployment. And I've been repeating this for years together, for the last 3 years. He is talking about demonetization. After demonetization, BJP had won in Uttar Pradesh. After demonetization, BJP had won in several states. BJP had won the 2019 battle. Now you are bringing narrative which was extremely old. It's not even, the bottle is also old. The wine is also old. Are they bringing anything into the table? And they're talking about the constitution being destroyed. Come on. The pot cannot call the kettle black. Congress party was the one who brought emergency into this country. And would anyone forget that particular thing? The high-handedness with which they did, they blocked the press freedom and everything. So at this point in time, the Congress is unable to bring any fresh ideas.
Okay.
They're going back to the Yatra. In fact, your own data, the Bharat Jodo Yatra, when it passed through Madhya Pradesh, 21 seats it passed through in 7 districts. And out of those 21 seats, 17 were won by BJP, 4 were won by Congress. 80% strike rate by BJP, 19% strike rate by Congress. Unfortunately, if you do not have any new idea, you do not have any new vision for this country, you keep parroting and repeating the same thing which does not hold water with the public. How do you expect the citizens of India to even look at you as an option? And that's my question.
All right, we're going to leave this question open-ended because, let's be fair, it's only the beginning. The Yatra will start in January. We will be watching it. It's a push by the Congress party, up to the people to decide whether it works. Thanks, gentlemen, for joining me.